Hey everybody, it's Josh Henry with SimplifyChurch by ACS Technologies. Thank you for spending a minute with me today. Wanted to give you just a quick update on where we are at with the company, with the service we provide to you as our bookkeeping services to you, and also a little bit about where we are going in the very near future. So if you've been with us for a while through Simplify Church, I'm sure you're aware at this point, we were a year ago acquired by ACS Technologies. It has been an awesome opportunity to now be a part of what they are doing, we are doing, and where we're moving forward to serve churches and bring together a very like-minded mission and purpose and trying to serve churches. And so if you hadn't heard already, here's your announcement. It's been a year. But we are now part of ACS Technologies. Now, some of the things that we're updating, and let's just call it out as we are sitting here in August, as many of you know, we made an update to our bookkeeping portal several weeks ago. And that update did not go as well as we had planned. I'll just admit it. It wasn't great. And I do appreciate everybody's patience with us. I appreciate the feedback we've received and all of that. Just so you know, we are constantly making improvements to that portal and identifying some of the features that we didn't even know our churches were using. And so thank you for letting us know what did not get moved over into version 4 so that we can know we need to fix that moving forward. So again, thank you for your patience. Thank you for sticking with us and everything with that, even though I know it was perceived by some to be a little bit of a step back. However, let me use that as our transition into why we made the decision to move the portal and update. It's because we're moving forward very rapidly with some new features, and we needed the new code base that portal is written in. I don't want to get overly complex and technical with you, but I'm happy to explain as much as needed. What we needed to do was update the portal into a new code structure that would permit us to move forward with some new features and things like that. One of those things I'm very happy to announce that will be available for use in the very near future, like maybe even days. If you're watching this, I'm recording it on August the 27th of 2025. Within a matter of days, we will have a phone app, native phone app available for you to use. And the app is great. It really gets us further down the road to being able to provide to your church that opportunity of submit it, forget it, where you're able to just shoot a photo of a receipt or an invoice or something that you need to get to us, and it automatically pushes that file over to your bookkeeper. What's even better about that is we are embracing AI and the technology that exists to us to even make some presumptions of that receipt, we'll say, on what budget line, what ledger fund that needs to go to, also to put what potential description for that transaction that needs to happen. All that in mind, that we're trying to make the job easier on you as a ministry partner or a contact for one of our ministry partners in what you're doing with the transaction, but also then to help our bookkeepers be more efficient in what they are providing to your church and what we're doing. So realistically, we're there. We're getting so close to making some huge updates. The mobile app's a big one, but it's just one of many that are yet to come, probably even yet this year. And wanted to put together just a quick video for you as a ministry partner to let you know where we're going and what's happening, as we've not communicated it well. And I apologize for that. And moving forward, this is kind of what we're going to do as we go, as we release new features to the portal. So, hey, I'll do the proverbial like and subscribe to our channel here on Simplify Church on YouTube, as we'll be releasing things through here. Also follow us on Facebook because we'll be putting the information there as the easiest methods of communication that we have to get mass information out to all of our ministry partners. So if you're still having trouble with something in the portal, not sure how something exists, if it appears to be a bug, please let us know. There is a link in that top banner of the portal where you could submit to us the information so that we can let our developers know that there still are some items that need to be fixed. As always, I want to be available to you. Feel free to shoot me an email, a message. We can set up a time to chat. Love to hear back feedback from our church partners. Would love to know how you are using the portal, or if there are things that we're not seeing that we could do to make it better. If you have ideas, we welcome those as well, because Lord knows if it would serve your church, it would probably serve others in that. So thanks for a few minutes with me. Wanted to put the video together, and look forward to serving your ministry in the years to come. Thank you so much.